Pizza cutter. Yeah, I think it's essential.
It's even got a splash guard.
Is that actually a splash guard?
I think so. Like you cut it, and you know the tomato can sometimes, and the splash guard stops it splashing on your hand.
I absolutely don't think that's a splash guard.
I'm going to stand by my assertion that it
Right,
is.
we'll have to research that one.
Essential item, I think. But that is a keep for me.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, this is so good. I've used it so many times.
Yeah.
Just make pizza.
Yeah.
With garlic bread as well, cheesy
Yeah.
bread.
We'll keep it.
We'll keep it.
Yeah.
Sorry. I would say that this is not a necessity, but you can't have candles in your accommodation room. So if you want a bit of light, you can bring it.
Oh, this is so nice.
Decor.
Yes, I could use this because I'm Hindu and I celebrate Diwali every year. It's a perfect way for me to experience my culture in a small type of way, but it's in a good way.
That's cute.
So it's a definitely key. What is this?
A whiskey thing.
Oh, okay, so if you want to make a breakfast, egg.
I don't like eggs.
Really?
Yeah, so I'm going to bin this because what am I going to use it for?
So we have the Hungry Student Cookbook or any other cookbook. I would recommend. This is a good product. Charlotte Pike, really good author. I would say definitely keep. In your first year in halls, you and your mates get together on a random Saturday night, you don't want to spend any money, let's all cook a meal, you just flick through the pages and bang, you are now making...
Yeah, enjoy presenting those options.
You are making either smoked mackerel pate or cheese and leeks. To be fair, it's something different. It's not all the time burgers and chips or nuggets and turkey dinosaurs. Sometimes you need your cheese and leeks. So I'm going to say keep and also have an oven mitt because you need to get them out of the oven. We'll keep it.
Oh, this is so good.
We'll probably be eating beans on toast. Yeah, keep.
Now this, I would say, could be top 5 for taking to uni. Tins of beans, tins of spaghetti, tins of soup, rice pudding, custard. I'm saying keep.
Yeah, keep.
What is this again? Sorry.
I don't know.
What is this?
What do you think it is?
You use it for cooking.
Yeah.
What do you actually use this?
It's for measuring something.
It is. I don't know what you measure holes with. Why are you measuring a hole?
It's for measuring spaghetti.
You don't need that.
Big bed.
How do we measure actually? Okay, next.
Keep.
What is that?
It's, when you take things out of the oven, let's
I
say,
have never seen that before.
let's say there's a pizza in the oven, you're not going to go grab it yourself, so you got to
I've never seen that. Why didn't I know
Keep
that?
me.
Why didn't I know that?
keep me. Exactly,
Oh, wow.
because cloth burns, isn't it? So
Yeah,
keep me.
that
We're going
makes
to keep
sense.
this.
This is, it's a strange mitt, but it's an oven mitt. I had the big cloth one, but I guess it's a bit grubby. I actually think this is better. I prefer this one, but this is a 100% keep. You need an oven mitt. But
We're keeping it.
It's an egg holder. I don't like eggs, so it's a no from me.
It's for boiled eggs.
Yeah, it's a no from me.
I'm immediately going to say bin. We don't need this.
If you fancy yourself as a bit of a Gordon Ramsay, I bet Gordon Ramsay would have took a rolling pin to uni.
Okay, fair enough.
If you're a bit of a cook, then yeah, take a rolling pin.
Alright, so we're pretty split. I'm binning.
Let's bin.
Alright, we're binning.
I'll go with you.
I'd say this is essential because you do take hot drinks when we go in the morning for coffee, but my grandma gave me one at the start of the year and up to now I haven't used it. I end up just buying coffee on campus, just because it's more convenient and I'm normally late and don't have time. But some people would use that.
Yeah. I think it's quite useful because some people make coffee at home, tea at home, so before you go lectures, you just take this, it'll make it before you go, and then, yeah, kind of saves money as well.
Yeah, that's true. So
Yeah.
I'd say it's essential.
Yeah, it's essential.
Tea.
Tea.
Yeah.